Dakota Goombai. I'm the HVAC instructor here at CKTC.
Are you looking to start a career in HVAC? Our hands-on HVAC installation class will give you the skills to succeed. You'll learn step-by-step installation of furnaces, air conditioners, and heat pumps, plus how to connect ductwork and follow code requirements. Gain a solid understanding of system components like compressors, condensers, and thermostats, while sharpening troubleshooting skills to handle real-world issues with confidence. You'll also build teamwork and communication skills, preparing you for success on the job site. By the end of this course, you'll know how to install, diagnose, and service residential HVAC systems, giving you the foundation for a rewarding career in this high-demand industry. HVAC at Caddo Kiowa Technology Center. Come join us.